Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before trading. Now, today we're comparing Forex and OANDA. Both are regulated by top-tier authorities like FCA, CFTC, ASIC, MAS, and IROC. Forex.com benefits from being part of the public company StoneX and boasts institutional-grade infrastructure. OANDA stands out for longevity and clean compliance record. OANDA uses a spread-only model starting at around 1.4 pips, that's in Euro and USD, with no commissions. Forex offers both spread-only 1.2 pips and raw pricing with tight spreads, down to 0.0, plus commission, $7 per 100,000. Inactivity fees, OANDA charges $10 per month after 12 and Forex charges 15. Withdrawal fees, OANDA offers one free monthly withdrawal. Forex.com typically charges both domestic and international withdrawal fees. Now, Forex supports MetaTrader 4 and 5, a proprietary advanced trading platform, and WebTrader. It offers tools like Trading Central, advanced charting, VPS hosting, and robust research. OANDA offers MetaTrader 4, TradingView integration, and a polished proprietary FX trade platform focused on simplicity and usability. Forex offers an extensive selection, 84 plus currency pairs and 5,500 plus CFDs. OANDA leans Forex-centric, 68 to 71 pairs and a fewer CFDs. Now, as far as customer feedback and reliability, Forex.com users cite occasional service issues and withdrawal delays, and OANDA, some report funding challenges and an unfavorable admin/financing fee. Additionally, traders report more reliable historical price data from Forex.com versus persistent chart gaps on OANDA. So choose Forex if you trade high volumes or need ultra-tight raw spreads, want broad asset coverage and advanced platform tools, and appreciate institutional-level infrastructure. Choose OANDA if you value simplicity, transparent pricing, and lower costs for typical retail trading, prefer an intuitive interface and fast mobile experience, or you're focused on Forex and don't need a massive product range. Thank you so much for watching.